Friends, we've all struggled with AI-generated text that sounds robotic or gets flagged by detectors like Turnitin. It's frustrating, right? Well, today I'm showing you a tool that changes the game. I am Daniel, welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. In this video we're checking out twaingpt, a platform trusted by over 2 million users worldwide. It's a popular humanizer for students, writers, and professionals, turning AI-generated text into content that reads naturally and feels human. Many people rely on it to get their writing past AI detection tools like Turnitin, GPT-0, Copyleaks, and ZeroGPT, which makes it ideal for both school and professional projects. Step by step, we'll humanize text, test it with detectors, and even create new content with the writing generator. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's dive in. Guys, twaingpt has built a solid reputation among writers, students, and content creators. Its main focus is making AI-generated text sound natural and genuinely human. Even when tested with advanced detection tools, it holds up surprisingly well. To get started, we'll need a sample. Let's ask ChatGPT to write a text about sustainable energy. At first glance, the generated result looks perfectly fine. But there's a catch. It's almost too perfect. The tone feels stiff and overly polished, and that's exactly the kind of thing AI detection tools tend to flag right away. Friends, now let's move on to the main tool, the humanizer. Think of it as a skilled editor stepping in. It reshapes sentences, tweaks word choices, and gives your writing a smoother, more human flow. I'm dropping in our text here. It's 1,295 words, which is a great length to really see the humanization in action. AI writing often follows predictable patterns. The humanizer breaks those patterns and makes it sound more natural. Another nice touch is the language support. twaingpt works with over 100 languages, which makes it accessible to users worldwide and establishes it as a global platform. You can also choose the writing level. I'll keep it set to intermediate. Once the text is pasted in, I hit Humanize, and within seconds we get a version that sounds smooth and natural. The system even labels it as 100% human. And that's the result, fully rewritten, natural, and ready to use. Mates, now we've come to the most important part, the real test. We're going to run this text through 3 AI detectors and see how it holds up. First, let's try Grammarly. It's a tool millions of people use every day to polish their writing. When we check Grammarly's AI detector, it shows just 2% possible AI detected. That means there's a 98% human probability, which is an impressive and strong result. Next up is ZeroGPT, which is known for having a pretty strict AI detector. We paste in the humanized version, and as you can see on the screen, the checker shows 0% AI content. According to the system, this text is fully human-written. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Finally, let's run it through Copyleaks, a platform that's especially popular in corporate and academic settings. And once again, the result comes back clean. No signs of AI writing detected. So after 3 different checks, the takeaway is clear. twaingpt doesn't just replace a few words here and there. It humanizes the text in a way that removes AI-like patterns and makes the text sound more natural. That means it can bypass even the most advanced detectors like Copyleaks, Turnitin, and ZeroGPT, which is especially important for academic and professional use. Guys, now let's quickly look at the pricing. There are affordable options in the basic and premium tiers, plus an ultimate plan if you want unlimited humanizer words. All plans come with higher word limits and full access to the platform's tools. You can pick what works for you, and if your needs change, upgrading or downgrading is easy. The platform also comes with a built-in AI detector. Let's start by scanning our humanized text. Then we'll check the original ChatGPT version. The difference is clear. The original shows 99% AI written, while the humanizer output passes cleanly with 0% detected. Folks, twaingpt also has a writing generator for creating content from scratch. It's a full-featured content builder. You can give it a topic or a short outline, choose the type of essay, Pick a writing level and select the language. Once the topics are generated, we can pick the one that best fits our essay. I'll select a few and hit Generate Essay. You can see how smoothly it works. At this point, the result is 100% generated, so we click Humanize. It's now showing that the text is fully human, which is a strong result overall. Alright, my friends, let's wrap this up with some final thoughts. twaingpt isn't just another AI tool. It's a powerful AI humanizer that makes your writing sound natural, bypasses major AI detectors like Turnitin and ZeroGPT, and saves you hours of rewriting. It's made to ensure your content feels truly human every time. You can explore different plans, from basic to ultimate, and easily adjust based on your needs. With built-in AI detection, the writing generator, and flexible language support, it's a complete all-in-one solution for elevating your writing. Give it a try, explore the features, and see how easily twaingpt can humanize your writing. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time!